I know it's hard to remember people we used to be